Hi there, my name is Jamie Claret. I am the CEO of Autonomy, and this is Questions from the Boardroom. Okay, so I've been giving some talks recently to board members, senior leadership teams, and things like that. And over the last 6 months to a year, I've really been thinking about why AI is different because we've had the Industrial Revolution. And what did that do? The Industrial Revolution automated and mechanized the ability to produce things and travel, trains and machines and factories and things like that. It sped up the ability to produce and to do stuff and to connect and to move around the country, or countries, I should say. So then we had the kind of technology revolution. So the kind of computers and microchips and things like that. Again, that sped up our ability to work and do those kind of things. But then there was the internet revolution. And what that did was speed up communication that allowed us to communicate instantly with anyone, anywhere in the world, by video talk, by whatever, it doesn't matter, instant messaging. It massively increased the speed of communication. And then AI comes along. Now, what does AI do? So, yes, AI allows us to speed up our work, but AI is something different. For the first time in human history, AI is outsourced thinking. We've never had that before. We've had systems that can do some of the work that we would do kind of cognitively, I guess. But AI for the first time is enabling us to outsource our thinking. And that's a completely different thing. And it's evolving constantly in the same way that when the internet first came, we kind of had no idea what that could mean or what we could do with it. I think we're at that, well, I don't think I know we're at that stage now with AI. It's a constantly moving target and a morpheus thing as to how we deal with it. But when you start to think of it like that, outsourced thinking, it kind of changes your view of how to use it. I don't know the answers, but that's just how I think about AI at the moment. Thanks very much.